Hello everyone. So I wanted to come here and kind of go over some of my symptoms, side effects from the GLP-1 Zepbound 2.5 milligram dose that I'm taking. This is my fourth week and I have some stomach issues, upset stomach, kind of like I have a stone sitting right on top of my stomach that sits there for hours, even though I'm eating very little. This morning I ate a slice of turkey, and I felt like I ate two bowl of pasta. I don't know what it is, but I guess it's good because that means I'm not hungry and I'm not gonna eat anymore. But it's a little uncomfortable, so I'm being very careful on what I eat. And yesterday I made that delicious soup. If you wanted to see the video of the soup that I made, you can go to my videos and watch it. This evening I'm making sauteed broccolis and fresh local shrimp from South Carolina. They're delicious, and I will saute those as well with extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and some other spices. I will post a video later with step by step of the ingredients that I'm using and how I'm cooking it so you can see, and hopefully it helps you maybe prepare your own dinner. If you like soups, yesterday I posted a video of a wonton soup, kind of my own idea, but it came out delicious. And if you want to see the step by step, you can go on my videos and check out the ingredients that I use. Sorry, I'm being distracted by a little tiny rabbit that just went across my yard. That most adorable little thing. That's why I'm looking over there and then I'm looking back at the video, but it's really cute. Anyway, guys, I hope you like my content and I hope you like my videos and follow me. I really would like to build a community. I'm retired. If I can get a community built on YouTube, I'll be able to become monetized and that will supplement my income, which will be really nice. I'm not doing it just for that. I'm doing it because I need something to do anyway, and this is perfect. Gives me a little motivation every day to get up and make videos and edit and put them together and all of that. So, but if I can grow and do get a little bit of money on the side, it would be fantastic. Anyway, this is about my journey with weight loss and everything that I do in my life. I do a lot of travels and I do a lot of cooking and going out and shopping. I want to share all of that with you or as much as I can, and hopefully I can build my community. Anyways, if you like my recipe from yesterday, stay here and watch the recipe for today. Thank you. Bye. Here we have some nice fresh Italian parsley. We have some parsley stems. We have some garlic cloves. We have some pepperoncini that I brought back from Italy. They're really cute. They're little but very spicy. And these are some of the ingredients we're gonna use for tonight's dinner. Well, I would say some of the herbs, some of the spices, okay? And of course, we're gonna have some salt as well. But this is mainly all we're gonna need.